Hi lovelies, welcome once again to OA Styles. Today guys, we'll be making face cap wig with crochet, and this particular crochet was made by me. If you love the crochet and you want to know how I made it, kindly comment down below. I made this crochet with extension. I combined two colors to make this crochet, and I must say this particular crochet is one of my favorites. I love it so much because it's very unique and you hardly see it. So if you want a tutorial on how I made this particular crochet, kindly comment down below. Please, for my returning subscribers, make sure to click the subscribe button. For my OGs, thank you so much for always supporting me and for always coming back. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button. Also make sure to turn on the bell notification so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Also make sure to smash the like button, comment down below, just feel free. So guys, just make sure to watch the full video so that you will understand the tutorial. And please, when sewing, make sure the thread is not showing at the front of the face cap. Just be picking the material at this side little by little so I will not show at the other side. Please enjoy the full tutorial. For a better understanding, make sure to watch the full video. And if you are new to this channel and you're wondering what this channel is all about, OA Styles is all about hair tutorials. You can check my previous videos. I have so many amazing videos. This channel is all about hair tutorials. I also make natural tips for hair growth, how to remove dandruff, and so many amazing natural tips. Please make sure to stick around all the time. I'll see you at the end of the video.